Hello, I'm Leah from Stadler Farm, and today I'm going to show you how you can clean your Emma. If you travel a lot with your Emma, it's important to clean her regularly. To clean her you need a few things. You need the little brush you receive together with your Emma, a clean kitchen brush or a clean sponge, towel, you need clear water, vinegar or decalcifier, or as we recommend, our cleaner and descaler. Then you can start to clean your Emma. If she's still running, switch her off and unplug. Then you can lift the tank straight up and put it to the side. Carefully remove the lid from the water tray and put it aside. Take the water tray and tilt the water carefully forward in the indicated direction. Important! Water must never enter the ventilation slot during the entire cleaning process or otherwise. When you tilt the water tray, you now can fill in some cleaner and descaler and the same amount of water. Be careful and watch the ventilation slot. Depending on the pollution, give it a few minutes to do his job. After a few minutes you can tilt the water descaler mix in the indicated direction. If necessary, do some more cleaning with the sponge or the kitchen brush. Tip: if your Emma is really calcified, it's hard to get the gap clean. So take the little brush you received together with your Emma, put some cleaner and descaler straight on the brush and then clean out the gap carefully with the little brush. When the tray is clean, rinse with clean water and make sure you dry the tray well. Then you can take the lid and clean it with the towel. As soon as the lid is cleaned, make sure you dry it well. Now it's time to clean the bottle. Put a little bit of cleaner and descaler into the bottle and the same amount of clean water. Close the bottle well, make sure it doesn't drop, and then shake it! Press the middle of the water tank to release the pressure. Take off the lid and empty the bottle. Then rinse with clean water and allow it to dry well. Your Emma is clean and dry now, so you can pack her up. So lid on the tray, tray in the bottle, top on, ready for the next travel. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!